Karnataka is one of the best states to pursue BAMS in India. With top notch Ayurvedic colleges, affordable fee structures in government institutions, and a rich heritage of Ayurveda, Karnataka offers a perfect blend of tradition and modern education. Whether you're a local student or from outside the state, Karnataka provides excellent opportunities for your Ayurvedic career. To apply for BAMS in Karnataka, you must have passed Tenja 1 2 in physics, chemistry, and biology, scoring at least 50% in PCB, 40% for SC, ST, OBC. You must also qualify for NEET-UG and be at least 17 years old by the 31st of December of the admission year. Make sure you meet these criteria before applying. NEET-UG is the key to securing a BAMS seat in Karnataka. It's a national level entrance exam that tests your knowledge of physics, chemistry, and biology. To qualify, you need to score above the cutoff percentile 50th for general, 40th for SC, ST, OBC, and 45th for PWD candidates. A good NEET score ensures you're eligible for both government and private Ayurvedic colleges. The Karnataka Examination Authority KEA is responsible for conducting the BAMS counseling process in the state. From registration to seat allotment, KEA manages everything online. Visit their official website kea.car.nic.in for all updates and notifications regarding BAMS admissions. The Karnataka BAMS counseling process is simple and transparent. First, register on the KEA website and fill in your details. Next, upload the required documents for verification. Then, fill in your preferred colleges and courses. Based on your NEET rank and choices, seats are allotted. Finally, report to the allotted college to confirm your admission. For Karnataka BAMS counseling, you'll need the following documents: NEET-UG admit card and scorecard, 10th and the 12th of March case sheets, Aadhaar card, caste certificate if applicable, and passport size photos. Make sure all documents are ready and uploaded correctly to avoid delays in the process. In Karnataka, BAMS seats are divided into 4 categories: government seats, which are affordable and merit based, private seats, which have higher fees, NRI quota seats reserved for NRI students, and management quota seats, which are filled directly by colleges. Choose the category that suits your needs and budget. The fee structure for BAMS in Karnataka varies depending on the type of seat. Government colleges charge between 750,000 and Fez 1 oh 0000 per year, while private colleges charge Dero 2 00000 to A05 00000. NRI quota seats are the most expensive, ranging from 05 00000 to A010 00000 annually. Plan your finances accordingly. Karnataka is home to some of the best Ayurvedic colleges in India. Top institutions include Sri Paripurna Sanathana Ayurveda Medical College, Ashwini Ayurvedic Medical College and Research Center, Rajashekharaya Institute of Ayurveda Medical Sciences, Maharaja Institute of Ayurveda Medical Sciences and Hospital, Sri Raghavendra Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Prasanna College of Ayurveda and Hospital, Kundapura Rural Ayurveda Medical College and Hospital, Bhagwan Mahavir Jain Ayurvedic Medical College, Bapuji Ayurvedic Medical College, TMAEs Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital. These colleges offer excellent infrastructure, experienced faculty, and a strong focus on Ayurvedic education. When choosing a BAMS college, it's important to understand the key differences between government and private institutions. Government BAMS colleges are affordable, making them a great choice for students looking for a cost effective education. They also have well established infrastructure and are backed by government funding. However, the number of seats is limited and competition is high. Private BAMS colleges, on the other hand, come with higher fees, but they offer modern facilities, advanced labs, and better campus amenities. They also have more seats available, making admission easier for students with lower NEET scores. If you haven't secured a seat through KEA counseling, management quota is another way to get admission into a BAMS college. Direct admission. Private colleges offer direct admission under the management quota without KA counseling. Higher fees. Compared to government seats, management quota seats come with a higher tuition fee, usually ranging from D8 lakh to S15 lakh for the entire course. Limited seats. The number of seats under the management quota is limited, so early application increases your chances. If you're considering this option, research well and choose a reputed college for quality education and career opportunities. The NRI quota is reserved for non-resident Indian, NRI students, or those sponsored by NRIs who wish to pursue BAMS in India. Who is eligible? This quota is exclusively for NRI students or candidates with an NRI sponsor, such as a parent, relative, or guardian. Higher fees. NRI quota seats come with higher tuition fees compared to government and management quota seats, varying from say 15 lakh to as 25 lakh for the entire course. Direct admission. Admissions are done directly through college management without KA counseling. Since seats are limited, it's essential to apply early to secure a spot in a reputed institution. If you're planning to pursue BAMS in Karnataka, mark these important dates to stay ahead in the admission process. NEET UG exam, scheduled for May 2025. Make sure to prepare well as your NEET score is crucial for admission. Counseling registration begins in July 2025 through KIA, Karnataka Examination Authority. Register on time to participate in the admission process. Seat allotment takes place in August 2025, where eligible students will be assigned colleges based on their NEET rank and preferences. Stay updated with KE notifications to avoid missing deadlines and secure your seat in a top BAMS college. The mop-up round is the final opportunity for students to secure a BAMS seat if they missed out in the earlier counseling rounds. Why is it conducted? This round is held to fill vacant seats that remain unallocated after the main counseling rounds. Who can apply? Candidates who haven't been allotted a seat in the previous rounds or those looking for better options can participate. Since limited seats are available, make sure to register and stay updated with KEA announcements to grab this last chance for admission. The final round for seat allotment is the last opportunity for students to secure a BAM seat. SAR conducted at the college level. Unlike earlier KA counseling rounds, this round is managed directly by colleges for any remaining vacant seats. Last chance for admission. If you haven't secured a seat yet, this is your final opportunity to get admission before the process closes. Seats are limited and available on a first-come, first-served basis, so act quickly and complete your admission process without delay. Congratulations! If you've been allotted a BAMS seat, here are the important steps to complete your admission process. Step 1. Download your allotment letter from the KEA website. This is proof of your admission, so keep it safe. Step 2. Report to your allotted college within the specified time. Delays can result in losing your seat. Step 3. Pay the admission fee and submit your original documents for verification. This final step confirms your enrollment. Make sure to complete these steps on time to secure your seat and begin your BAMS journey. The one-year internship is a mandatory part of the BAMS course and plays a crucial role in shaping your medical career. Practical training. This internship provides hands-on experience in hospitals and clinics, allowing students to apply their theoretical knowledge to real-world patient care. Degree requirement. Completing the internship is essential to receive your BAMS degree and become a certified Ayurvedic doctor. Stipend benefits. Some colleges and hospitals offer a stipend to interns, making it a rewarding learning experience. This internship is a stepping stone to your professional journey, helping you build skills and confidence for a successful career in Ayurveda. After completing your BAMS degree, there are several career paths to explore based on your interests and goals. Practice as an Ayurvedic doctor. You can start your own clinic, work in hospitals, or join wellness centers to provide Ayurvedic treatments. Pursue higher studies. Specialize in Ayurveda by enrolling in MD Ayurveda or other postgraduate courses like MS Ayurveda, MPH, or MBA in healthcare. Explore diverse career options. Work in research, become a teaching faculty, or join pharmaceutical and wellness companies in product development and clinical trials. With the growing demand for natural healthcare, Ayurveda offers excellent career opportunities in India and abroad. After completing BAMS, you can pursue higher studies in Ayurveda to specialize in various fields. Here are some options. MD Ayurveda. Specializations include Kaya Chikitsa, General Medicine in Ayurveda, Panchakarma, Detoxification and Rejuvenation Therapies, Rasa Shastra, Ayurveda's Pharmaceutical Sciences, Balarog, Pediatrics in Ayurveda. Entrance exam. To pursue MD Ayurveda, you must clear the AIAPG ET, All India Ayurveda Postgraduate Entrance Test. This exam is your gateway to top PG colleges in India. Pursuing higher studies in Ayurveda can open doors to advanced research, specialized practice, and teaching opportunities. To support your education in BAMS, there are various scholarship and financial aid options available. Government scholarships. Both central and state governments offer schemes to assist deserving students. These scholarships are typically based on merit and financial need, and they aim to make education more accessible. Private scholarships. Many trusts, organizations, and NGOs offer scholarships to students pursuing BAMS. These are often provided to help with tuition fees and living expenses. Eligibility criteria. Scholarships are usually awarded based on academic performance, merit, and financial status, so make sure to check specific requirements for each scheme. These financial aids can significantly ease the burden of tuition fees and help you focus on your studies. When comparing BAMS and MBBS, both are esteemed medical degrees, but they focus on different aspects of healthcare. BAMS focuses on holistic healing and traditional Ayurvedic methods. It integrates natural treatments, herbal medicine, and lifestyle management to promote overall health and well being. MBBS emphasizes modern medical science, focusing on diagnosis, surgery, pharmacology, and disease management. It prepares doctors to work with advanced medical technologies and in hospitals for allopathic treatments. Career opportunities. Both degrees offer unique career paths. While BAMS graduates can pursue careers as Ayurvedic doctors, researchers, or in wellness centers, MBBS graduates typically work in hospitals, clinics, and public health sectors. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you are drawn to traditional healing or modern medicine. Preparing for the NEET exam requires focus, dedication, and a strategic approach. Here's how you can maximize your preparation. Focus on insert books. The insert books for physics, chemistry, and biology are the foundation for NEET preparation. Make sure to thoroughly study and understand the concepts in these textbooks. Practice previous year's question papers. Solving previous year's question papers helps you understand the exam pattern, question types, and time management. It also boosts your confidence. Take mock tests regularly. Taking mock tests is crucial for simulating exam conditions and improving your speed and accuracy. Analyze your mistakes and work on weak areas. With consistent effort and smart strategies,